Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover data after a factory reset on Android. So first things first, recovering data from a factory reset can sometimes be tricky and impossible if you haven't enabled backup beforehand. So it is always important to back up your data before doing a factory reset. And to do that in your Android phone, head over and launch Settings. Scroll down until you get to System, depending on your phone's model. Then next is scroll down. Then look for Backup, Reset, and Restore section. Click on Backup and click on Backup now. Make sure that you toggle on for the data that you would like to keep. Of course, your photos and videos, make sure that you toggle this on, and your other device data. Then once you're ready, back it up by clicking on Backup Now. So if you enabled backup beforehand, and when you set up the phone after the reset, during setup, you'll be prompted to restore from backup using your Google account. In that way, your backup data will be restored easily on your phone. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!